This is Group 154 presentation. Our topic is programs and countermeasures of the incentive mechanism of Ping An Insurance Company Limited. This is our group member list. Our paper is divided into 4 parts, and we will introduce one by one.
Hello, Professor. My name is Hu Hongyan. Our presentation is Part 1, Introduction. Based on the incentive theory, this paper takes the core employers of Ping An Insurance Company as the research object, conducts a diagnostic study on the incentive mechanism of the core employers in the commercial real estate industry, and use the relevant incentive diagnosis tools to investigate the core employers in the form of questionnaires and personal interviews, finds out the problems and cause of the current incentive mechanism, and then puts forward the improvement countermeasures for the incentive mechanism, and puts forward the supporting measures that need to be taken to ensure the continuous and effective implementation of the incentive improvement. For the paper, include Chapter 1, Introduction, Chapter 2, Literature Review, Chapter 3, Methodology. Thank you.
Chapter 2, Literature Review. This chapter describes our research on this distinction topic related to the theoretical knowledge of the literature, the incentive theory of employee, and the relevant theories of operation management. Specifically describes incentive theory of the literature review, the analysis of the core staff characteristics, as well as incentive needs factor analysis. Incentive mechanisms is the use of a certain way and management tools to make the enterprise staff in their own work to obtain the greatest importance to transform the process, and has a very rich and important function. It can enhance the enthusiasm of the staff so as to enhance the vitality of the enterprise.
Hello, Professor. My name is Zhao Xin. For methodology, the Ping An Insurance was established in 1988 and has grown into a financial group offering insurance, banking, and investment services across China. For research setting, Ping An Insurance in China created a special reward system considering individual differences. The aim is to boost employer motivation and enthusiasm at work. For research paradigm, the article evaluates how Ping An Insurance Guangzhou Panyu branch motivates its employees using surveys and interviews. It identifies issues in the current system based on 197 valid responses out of 213 surveys distributed. For research design, employers focus on personal development opportunities, remuneration and benefits. Employers seek growth and competitive salaries. The company aims for their satisfaction to boost productivity and enhance profitability. Functional departments and project departments implement the same salary system. Business and human resource directors, as well as general business and HR directors, share equal salaries, resulting in minimal total compensation differences within the company. The proportion of performance pay is too small and egalitarianism is implemented. Matching salaries to individual levels keeps employers motivated. Non-sales staff get monthly evaluations, and the units score 19 or above get a 3% bonus. While performance pay varies little among levels, it depends on overall unit performance.
Hello, Professor. I'm Liu Quanjie. Now let me introduce the population sample sampling technique. Sampling technique. This research mainly uses random sampling method, also known as the sampling survey method, which uses random numbers to draw samples from the population according to the random principle. In the random sampling survey method, it is divided into three different sampling methods: simple random sampling technique, stratified random sampling technique, grouped random sampling technique. Data collection technique. In this study, we used questionnaires and field research methods to conduct interviews with some employees in various departments as well as telephone service of human resource departments and administrative departments. Questionnaire design. Ping An Insurance Incentive Measures Questionnaire. Taking Ping An Insurance Guangzhou Panyu branch as an example, we designed the Ping An Insurance Incentive Mechanism Questionnaire with a total of 18 questions, including crowd portraits, company feelings, employee expectations.
3. Pre-testing. Pre-testing is an important step in the survey development process. The goal of prediction is to increase the validity and reliability of the survey. Respondent selection for the pretest. The selection of pretest respondents is not random selection process, but similar or identical of the final respondents. So we choose China Life Insurance Company, which has a competitive relationship with Ping An Insurance Company. We choose a diverse group of people from different departments. Due to the limitations of some objective factors, we conducted a relevant investigation to the Human Resources Department in the form of the telephone visits. When looking for respondents to conduct a survey, note the following. 1. Make sure they don't influence each other. 2. Try to make respondents have questions about the survey content and modify relevant survey questions in the later stage. 3. Observe the respondent's experience or hesitation about the survey content, because it may mean that there are still problems in the design or layout of the question and it needs to be improved later. Preliminary data analysis. Churn rate survey. 2. Serve on the salary structure of low-level personnel in Ping An. 3. Ping An's internal complaint records. 4. Improvement suggestion. Looking at the staff turnover statistic from 2021 to 2023, a large amount of effective human resources were wasted. As can be seen from the table, the turnover rate of grassroots insurance practitioners is largest, and they are the main force in the development of the company. Due to the unreasonable salary structure, team performance bonus are almost unattractive to middle-level senior directors and director-level personnel. This is one of the reasons why middle-level personnel compete for the performance of grassroots personnel. If they are snatched away have poor performance, it is the biggest reason for the loss of grassroots personnel. The internal complete records of Ping'an and Guangzhou Secret Department sent a strong message to the company. The team still has a lot of room for improvement, which requires a more complete incentive mechanism make guarantees.
For part conclusion, for a company, a reasonable incentive system can improve the enthusiasm of employees, enhance the vitality of the company, allow employees to take the initiative to work and study, turn passivity into initiative, and have a positive impact on the company's interests. For employees, a reasonable incentive system can help employees enhance their sense of the identity and belonging to the company. Only when personal and company goals are aligned can huge benefits be created.